008-919, State of Texas versus Simon Anthony Hernandez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense,
Albert Chidas for Mr. Hernandez.
and are you Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hernandez, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, he was on both occasions.
Mr. Hernandez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 8 months in the state jail facility, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am. I was trying to figure if I might be able to get 6 months. And
Oh, no. So let me stop you there. I'm just going over what the plea bargain for you is.
yes, ma'am.
And then your attorney, if he wants to, he can argue for less. So according to this plea bargain agreement you reach, it's a cap of 8 months in the state jail facility. So what that means is that the court could sentence you, if I found there was sufficient evidence to find you guilty, the court could sentence you anywhere from 180 days up to the 8 months. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Yes.
State any evidence.
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses that the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. At the time of this offense, my client was homeless, no ID, no job, nowhere to live. What happened was an act of desperation on his part. He knows that. He knows he shouldn't have done what he did. He's trying to get his life back together. It would be helpful if we could keep the sentence at the minimum. The state is at 8, we're at 6. We're asking for 6. He doesn't have an extensive criminal history. He's just a guy who was homeless and saw an open car and got in Shouldn't have done that.
All right, so what is his criminal history?
Because of Odyssey, it's a little hard for me to
All right,
print
what's
it
your
out.
criminal history?
I had a possession charge, got dropped in the past. I had a terroristic threat. There was against a public servant, there was a misdemeanor. I also ended up having a trespassing charge, and before that, I think I fell asleep at a swimming pool. I forgot what I was arrested for, but I was arrested for falling asleep at the swimming pool. I didn't find nothing on me, nothing like that. I just was arrested for it. They told me I was resisting arrest, I think it was.
Okay, yes. Any objections to the court reviewing the criminal history?
No objection.
Thank you. If somebody is homeless, which I understand there's an issue and people are homeless, and being homeless is not a crime. I don't understand why people think the go-to, and I should say some people think the go-to when you're homeless is, oh, let me commit a crime because I'm homeless. And then spare me, I was homeless, so I stole a car. And you stole a car and you drove it and you didn't have identification, you didn't have a license, and you didn't have insurance.
I would like to say it's not that I stole a car, I was sitting at a park. I mean, no one told me I could drive it, but no one told me I could. Like it's
Oh, okay. So,
truthfully, it was just there and unlocked.
so there was a vehicle there that was unlocked. Was that your vehicle?
No, ma'am.
Did you pay for it?
No, ma'am.
Did somebody have a for sale sign on the outside saying anyone who comes upon this vehicle, you have the permission to take it?
No, ma'am. I just seen an on car just there, and it was hot outside that day. I really had nothing to eat, nothing like that.
So
nothing
you just
going
took
on.
the car?
I didn't take it, ma'am. It was still at the place that it was at.
Mhm.
I didn't go any.
Oh, they
really
found you
where-
at the park with the vehicle.
Where I found the car,
Mhm.
there at that park. I didn't go anywhere except for one time. Just I went down the road real quick, came right back, and stayed at that park.
Mhm.
I didn't take the car from there, nothing like that. I found it there on and running. So I sat in it for a while. Whenever the cops see me, I was outside the vehicle.
And your bags were in the vehicle.
Just one. Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 8 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Let me explain something to you. Whose ever car that was, and they have the complainant's name in here, guess what? They go to the store, whether they leave their car with the keys running or whatever, they should be allowed to do that. Should you do that? No. But I'm sure when that person came from wherever they were, they're probably thinking, oh my gosh, did I park my car somewhere else? They're looking for their car. Next thought, was my car towed? But it couldn't have been towed because I parked it in an appropriate place. So that person, let's say that person had an infant with them and they come out and it's hot because you said it was hot. They come out with an infant. No, let's say it's hot. They come out with an infant and their car is gone. Now, guess what? What is that person supposed to do? Oh, I see a car here. There's nobody in it. Let me just take it. Guess what would happen if everybody here, I'm sure everybody here has seen a vehicle before where maybe the keys are still in it or maybe nobody's sitting in it. What do you think would happen if everybody here said, you know what? I don't want to take the bus today, but this car, I know it's not mine. I'm just going to get it in and drive it away.
I doubt almost anyone in
Yeah.
here has been through a rough time.
And you know what?
sometimes.
And then, hey, guess what? This house, the door is open. I don't have a place to stay. Let me just go in here and claim this home as my own. Yeah, that's not happening. We're not in the middle of a zombie apocalypse. So there are laws, and one of the laws are don't take what